got all loaded up and we only had this one last bit here, these LVLs, just to stick on with these floor trusses, and then I found out that we might get canceled. So this will be an interesting turn of events this week, but I'm holding tight until they let me know if we're canceled or not. And if we are canceled, then I'll get unloaded and we'll just try and stay as close to home as we can all week and make as much as money as we possibly can. But I guess that's just trucking for you.
You like this trailer better or the step deck better? What's wrong with this one?
It's higher. When you get ready to throw something, I get my ladder out for this one. That one I can throw it over no problem.
Oh yeah.
So you got to throw hard.
Yeah.
Throw it over like that. I'm proud of you, boy.
Huh?
You put that truck together.
Thanks, man.
I see the new brake chambers and everything.
Oh yeah, I lost a brake chamber last week, man.
Boy, you've been on it, boy.
Yeah.
It makes me feel ashamed. I got my truck in the yard.
You want me to put yours together?
I might need that.
I can do it. Bring it on over to the house. I'll work on it in between this truck. Uh-oh.
Text me your address.
Yeah, I will. Did you lose his little cover? Oh, it's right by your foot, man. There we go. All right. We're hooked up to the step deck. We'll run this for the rest of the week. See how the money is with step deck work. This thing's got this sliding back axle. I'm not really super certain how to use it, but I'm gonna figure it out. It won't be a problem. It's pretty self-explanatory, I think. And it's got container lock, so if I do pull a container, I don't have to sit and fight with it and strap it down. I can just turn it. Certainteed, getting loaded with shingles, and I'm sitting there waiting for them to assign me my loading parking spot when the K100 pulled up next to me. And now we're both in our loading parking spots, but that driver was a cool guy. He's just a company driver. Apparently it's a local outfit here in town that still runs them. He said they got a few of these trucks. They got that truck, which just kind of runs local, kind of shuffling between the yards around Oxford, North Carolina, and all that. And then they've got a couple more cabovers that still run over the road. That's pretty awesome. And even that one that's just a little local runabout is nicer than mine. Got a big load of paving stones. Let's see. This trailer's got this air scale on it. Let's see, I did spread the axles. Why is it not? Turns out that the trailer has a leak and is not filling up the suspension. I don't know if there's something wrong with it or if it's something that I did. I am suspecting that the leveling valve is bad because it was blowing air out of the leveling valve the whole time. And yeah, so that's my suspicion. And when I supplied air to the trailer, originally it dropped it really fast off the truck. Like I watched my gauges just drop real fast. And so I think that the leveling valve might be stuck or have something in it. I don't know. But anyways, so my friend who owns this trailer is on his way. He was at the Freightliner dealership, which is only like 10 miles away from where I just got loaded. So he said he's finishing up there, and as soon as he gets done, he's gonna come over here and we're gonna look at the trailer together just to make sure I didn't do something stupid when I was sliding the axles apart, because this trailer has a sliding axle, so you can put them together or you can spread them out depending on how heavy you are. And so I don't know if maybe I made a mistake when I slid the axles apart or what, but we'll see.
You know, of course, the way it goes, as soon as you call for help, somebody shows up to help you, there ain't nothing wrong anymore. So I guess we're gonna just head on out to Raleigh, and we'll have to drop off in the morning because it's too late now. I'm gonna try and find out where I'm gonna stay for the night.
Alright, so got the same problem again. This trailer is not airing up. This leveling valve is just blowing air out all the time. It feels like it's coming from right here. I just don't know what to do about it. I guess it just needs a new leveling valve. I don't know. Funny that it stopped doing it for a while. Oh, I think I fixed it. There's a valve that bypasses the leveling valve. And I've flipped it back and forth a few times and it seems like it's airing up now. Yeah, it's definitely better, because before this gauge, it was stuck like right under 10. Now it's actually coming up. That gauge shows the weight that's on the trailer based on how much pressure is in the bags. And it's steady coming up now, so I think we're good. These weird setups they have on these loaders. I wonder if they do that so that way they don't pick up the back end when they lift a load of these mats. So they've got that little, I don't know what I'd call that. It's like the boom is on its own set of wheels, so they have to drive around like they're back in a trailer all the time. Really good guys though. Nice fella. I dealt with him, talked to him for a little bit. We all have to get loaded up today because they're having a wedding tomorrow. The broker said that tomorrow was some Amish holiday, so I made myself look foolish. I said, what's your holiday tomorrow? And he didn't understand what I was talking about. He goes, oh, we're having a wedding. So congratulations to them. They're gonna shut down the whole sawmill just to go to a wedding. I can't imagine. Look at this dog I just met. He was just roaming around. I'd take you home, but I think somebody might miss you. You're just Too friendly. Very friendly. Okay. Safe travels, friend. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You want to come with me? But you belong here. You're not my dog. I can't keep you. I know, you want to come with me so bad. Come on. Let's get you back to your family. Come on. Come on, good boy. You're a good boy. You just follow right along. Reunited him with his Amish family. They really appreciated that too. I know how much it would hurt me if somebody rode off with my dog. As bad as he wanted to get in the truck with me, you know, I knew it. He really wanted to go. No loyalty with that dog, I guess. Well, yeah, no, that's his dog. He belongs to the Amish people anyway, so I'll leave him there with his people. And explains why he's so camera shy too.